What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I am back with another video. So today's look is going to be a little different. It's very simple. I tried something different than what I normally would do. So instead of going dark in the crease, we went light in the crease. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, watch the video from beginning to end, and I hope y'all enjoy. All right, guys, so I have some errands to run, so I need to do my face. And there's this look that I want to try, so I'm gonna go ahead and try said look. I need to do my brows, and usually I do my brows off camera, but I'll go ahead and do those real quick. Yeah, I really can't believe I broke, like my stand is broken. My glam core, like the part where the light sits on, the part that is the light, I guess I should say, is broken. It's the piece that holds the connector pieces is broken. Don't ask me how. I do not know. I don't know what happened. Cool child. All right, so now I'm gonna set my eyes with some powder, and I guess I thought I had that brush out, but I don't. Y'all know how it goes. I'm really not that organized, and it's really why I wanted a beauty room, because it helps with my organization skills. But maybe next year. So this look that I'm doing is super simple. It's not that much to it. So we're gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and use this orange out of there in the crease. It's gonna be our crease color. And then we're going to go into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to use the color Ya. It's literally just called Ya. And yeah, hopefully I can stop turning so much, because I notice when I turn, the camera gets a little dark and y'all can barely see me. So we're gonna try to just stay front and center, but I'm not making no promises. So I'm just gonna use this M514 brush by Morphe and go ahead and get that in the crease area. All right, now we're gonna go in with the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm gonna take a flat brush and just pat in that I'm gonna pat in that color Ya. I'm using the M124 brush by Morphe. Now I do feel like this isn't as dark as it was in the picture. And I don't know if I even have anything darker. I do have this in the Saharan 2 palette. There's this color Nomad. So let me see if I add this on top, will it give me that darker? It did. It did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Okay, because this was not what I wanted it to be. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can really see it like how I can see it, but it's definitely different from what I usually stick to, but we're gonna keep on going, gonna keep on pushing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my primer on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct. Alright, so we're going to go in with our Pro Filter Concealer in the color 410 and conceal these dark under eyes. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Glam Bronze palette in the color Leader, and we're going to contour this nose. And y'all know I don't do a lot on my nose because I actually like my nose. But we just want to go for a snatched look. Especially since we did something so different to the face. These eyes real different. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in. Yeah, I keep feeling like stuff is crawling on me because it was a big old ant on my chair. So now I'm scared that it's still an ant. Because I don't know where it came from. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some powder. Setting powder. So we can set under the eye. Down the bridge of the nose. And Cupid's bow. And I do like to just do a little underneath where I contour on my cheeks, but not a lot, because child, you put too much on there, you start looking crazy. And I don't necessarily let mine sit for a long time. Alright, so that's what that looks like. I'm going to go in with my Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Brow. And I'm sure I'm probably close to needing more of this. Alright, and in this look, she does have a white liner on. So I'm going to do that too. And this white liner is by NYX. It is the Epic Wear Liner Stick. Ooh, child. And it works very well, y'all. This has by far been the best white waterline eyeliner I've ever worn. So now I'm gonna go in. I need a clean brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Matte Fix Plus setting spray. Still not used to the wetness of it. And I'm going to go put my lashes on and get dressed, and I'll be back. Oh yeah, I got to fix this head too, because girl, this ain't it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just pulled the top half of my hair up in a ponytail and let the rest fall, because I have nothing else that I can think of to do to my hair right now. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm freaking out because I don't know if there are more ants around me. And I feel like they're on me and they probably aren't even nowhere near me. But anyway, so the lashes that I have on are Juvia's Place Nubian Lash Zaria in medium volume. They're 16 mm. For my lips, I did Morphe matte lipstick in the color True Story with a brown liner and a little bit of Hair Store lip gloss. This nose ring is a new nose ring that I got from Amazon, so I'll definitely tag that down below in the description box. I have on my Fashion Nova studs. The necklace is Fashion Nova. JBW watch, which y'all know this is my go-to watch. I put that on all the time. And then my dress is Boohoo Tall. It is a oversized t-shirt dress. And then I'm just putting on some sandals, probably my blue Tory Burch sandals. And then my fragrance that I did decide to put on was Gucci Guilty. So that's your girl's final look. Again, this is just like an errands run look. Nothing too much, nothing too over the top, just, you know, simple and cute. And that's why the eye was simple and cute. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget to do that part. That's like real important, y'all. Y'all gotta subscribe and watch the videos from beginning to the end right after you subscribe, because if you subscribe and then you don't watch the video, they unsubscribe you. So make sure you subscribe and then watch a full video so that you can stay subscribed and be on cue with new videos and updates and whatnot. So again, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and remember babes, always stay chic.